Hey buddies, so welcome back to another video. Today's video will be on how to prevent your competitors from spying on your Facebook ads, right? So this is a update video on a previous video I did on how to spy your competitors' Facebook ads, and it has to do with Facebook's new Facebook ad transparency feature that allows you to see the advertisement of any Facebook page that's currently running ads on their Facebook ads platform. Now, after the last video, it was great information and everything, but I didn't really go into detail on how to prevent people from spying on you, right? So today I'll be sharing two different methods, right? So the number one method I found so far, I'll share that with you as well. But I will also, before we talk about that method, I want to talk about the other methods that I've seen, right? Number one is changing the template of your Facebook page. I'm not sure if it's updated yet or not. When I first checked, right, of updating the Facebook page template, it was hidden. But today, before recording this video, I checked again, and then I was able to see the info and ads button. So I'm not sure if it's just me, but you guys can still try it out for yourself as well. I'll go over that method, and I'll go over a method where you don't run ads on your main Facebook page. And another one is don't worry about it at all. If you're running a general store, or your store has a lot of products that you're currently advertising, or you're constantly testing many products at the same time, right? So you're running so many different ads, it's really hard for your competitors to know which one is your winning ad, because the reason for this is actually because the feature itself does not show you the engagement and the comments of the Facebook ads. It just shows the actual ad itself. So they're not going to be able to know which ad is the most successful based on engagement or commenting. So on that note, let's go over some of the methods today. The first one is actually, don't run ads on your main Facebook page, as I mentioned earlier. Use your main page for content marketing to promote your store and promote your brand, right? You want to give value to your audience and build that trust and build that relationship through the content. So it could be with photos or videos or even normal posts with just text. But what you want to do is build that relationship up with your audience and your customers. And your Facebook page is a really great page, as well as your Instagram page, to actually do some customer service work on, right? When people message you, when people have questions, your Facebook and Instagram page is really great place to reach out and contact you. So, use that for customer service, for content marketing. Promote your store through, your lifestyle photos, your videos on, if your videos and photos of actually people using your product. But you don't have to actually run ads on that store. What you can do is actually use niche or fan pages to run your Facebook ads off of, so that your ads will be on different pages and not your main page. And it's not going to be all at one place for your competitors to easily see, right? So you can have multiple niche and multiple fan pages that promote and run ads to your stores. So, especially if you have a general store, you can have multiple niches, pages to advertise your products. Or even if you have a niche store of a single niche, you have multiple fan pages for that niche to promote multiple products, right? This method does require a little bit more effort to come up with that content and manage these different pages, but it's really easy because you can schedule these posts for your pages, and you just have to worry about the Facebook ads as well. So it does get simple as you do it and as you get used to this method. The next one I'll talk about, as I mentioned before, it may have been updated, but you can try it out for yourself and check if it works or not. But it has worked for me before, and then only today before the video, I tested out the method again to check if it's worked or not, and it showed up the info and ads tab. So I don't know if they updated it. If they have, then you could use the other method. But if they haven't, then this is still a great method because it's easier than the other method where you don't have to run multiple pages, right? So with this one, you're turning your page into a video page, and it's a really simple process that I'll list out for you guys right here. Just follow along, right? So step by step, just go to your page settings. On the left hand side, you're gonna see the different buttons like general settings, and what you want to click on is actually edit page. And then as you scroll down, you see your current template, and next to your current template, there's a button that says edit edit. So just click on edit. It will allow you to edit your current page templates. Just scroll down. You might see different templates like services, business, shopping, restaurants, cafes, right? So scroll down until you see the video page template. And once you see that template, and click on view details. And when you view the details, you're able to see the different tabs and what the page looks like. And as you can see on the tabs, when I checked before, the info and ads tab is not on the view details, but on the other templates, the info and ads tabs are there, right? So after you get to that page and you click on view detail on the video page, you actually click apply template, and then it's going to update your template for you automatically. Now this does not 100% hide ads from your page though. On the surface the button is gone, but if people just put like a /ads or the end of the URL for the info and ads, people can still see your ads. It's just that, you know, if they're not sure, or they don't know about that feature about editing the URL to your Facebook page to see the ads, then they're not gonna see it. But you know, people can still see it even if it's still hidden. But this just makes it a little bit harder because not everyone knows about that method of entering in the URL at the end of your Facebook page. So you know, this is still a great method because you don't have to run through all those niche fan pages or those niche pages for your store. And so those are the two main ones. And as I mentioned before, there is the third one, but it's not really preventing them from seeing your ads. They still see your ads. It's just that you're testing a lot of products. You're running so much advertising that it's really hard for them to know which ones you're running ad, because you're always making new ads to test these products, and you have a lot of ads that are still running. So with so many products being advertised, it actually throws off your competitors. And on that note, those are the different methods that I have seen so far and I have tested out myself. And you know, you can go through the different methods, you know, 1 and 2, and test it out for yourself. Again, number 2 may have been updated, it might not work anymore, but if it does, then it's great, right? And number 1, it takes a little bit more effort to run and manage multiple fan or niche pages, but it's really easy because you can schedule out these posts, and all you have to do is just focus on the advertising. So on that note, I'm just going to end the video right here, guys. It's a really short video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell down below for future, to stay updated on future videos full of massive content. Again, my goal is to help you build and grow a successful Shopify dropshipping store. You can follow me on IG and Facebook at 10 Entrepreneur, and join the free Facebook group link in the description below as well. We're almost at 60,000 entrepreneurs in the group, all like-minded individuals into dropshipping, and the goal is, you know, very focused on, you know, becoming financially independent, building a business for themselves online. And it's a great place to gain a lot of value from. You know, a lot of people are answering questions daily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Reach out to me if you want to. I do my best to get back to everyone, but I do get a lot of messages. But you know, also, you know, feel free to give value yourself in the group as well, like a lot of people do. And on that note, I'll see you guys next time on the next video. I will be filming a lot more videos here while I'm in Arizona as well for you guys. So it's not going to be like my San Fran trip where the internet was really bad and I couldn't upload or create any videos. On the Arizona trip, I'm going to be trying to upload a video a day for you guys. So see you guys next time. Make sure you guys stay tuned for future videos.